Welcome to this wonderful custom-built home nestled on 3 beautiful and private wooded acres. It's ideally located in the Redland area of Oregon City, where you can enjoy peace and tranquility, yet it's close to city conveniences. Discover soaring ceilings, updated flooring, and an inviting wood-burning fireplace. You'll find gracious, formal and informal spaces for entertaining or family gatherings. Skylights, a vaulted beam ceiling, and wood stove-ready fireplace frame the family room. Enjoy your morning coffee on the secluded side deck. The open kitchen is perfect for conversation and creating your favorite cuisine with abundant storage space. This lovingly maintained home features a large main-level master bedroom with its own bath and a walk-in closet. The second-floor loft is perfect for any number of uses. This home of more than 2,200 square feet features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. It's easy to unwind and take in the fresh country air on your expansive back deck. Or explore the trails that wind around the wooded acreage with serene seating areas along the way. Other features include cedar siding, a circular driveway, and a 1-year America's Preferred Home Warranty for added peace of mind. A fantastic opportunity on 3 gorgeous private acres, ready for you to call home.